Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete your Facebook account from iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to delete your Facebook account from your iPhones, let's see how can you do that. So you just have to simply open your Facebook app, and here you have two different ways to delete your account. So the very first way is that you just have to only delete your account from your iPhone. Your account will be still remain, but it will only delete it from your iPhone. The second way is that you have to completely and permanently delete your Facebook account. So let's explain the second way is to completely and permanently delete account. Just tap on this menu option in the bottom right. Then select settings and privacy. Select settings. Select account center. And here select personal details. Just select account ownership and control. Select deactivation or deletion. And here just select your Facebook account and you'll get on that page. Now if you want to only deactivate your account, just select the first option. If you want to permanently delete your account, just select the second option, then tap on continue option here, and here just tap on continue, and you just have to tap on continue option again. Just tap on this continue option again here, and you just have to enter your Facebook account password. So once you have entered your Facebook account password, it will completely and permanently delete your Facebook account. Or the second way is that you have to delete your Facebook account only from your iPhone. So if you want to only delete your Facebook account from only your iPhone, so it will be remain. If your account will not be deleted, it will only removed from your iPhone. Just tap on this menu option, the bottom right. Then scroll down and look for logout option. Just select that. Then tap on logout. So once you have logged out, you just have to select these three dots here. Then tap on remove profile from this device. And you just have to select the profile which you want to remove. So let's say I'm going to remove this one. Just tap on remove. Then tap on remove option again. It will completely remove your account only from your iPhone. Your account will still remain, but it will be completely deleted and removed from your iPhone, as you'll not get access without logging in your account. So in this way, you can easily delete your account on the iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.